Connecting the cloud to the field, using new technologies to address old problems. Farm Mapper and Machine Extrication are two applications that use QR codes, which may be useful when responding to farm emergencies. Incidents on farms can be very dangerous for emergency personnel because typically they rarely have detailed information on resources, hazards, or the general farm layout. The stakeholders involved are emergency services personnel, farmers and farm families, farm workers, insurance companies, and the local community, all who may be affected by the social and economic consequences of these incidents.
What do you need?
I wish we had a plan for this place, but we've got electric lines over here we got to get shut down. There's gas going to those bins. You guys just start looking for shutoffs.
All right.
Engine 2. Engine 2, I've got the code scanned.
Electrical power is going to be at the main pole in the center of the yard.
And the gas shutoff is going to be over between the grain bins.
Have the two of you split up and get to those areas.
Engine 2 copies.
Farm Mapper is a web application for EMS personnel. It contains secured farm maps where farmers can indicate hazards and resource information viewable on mobile devices by EMS personnel. By scanning a QR code on the farm premises, EMS can access these maps. Farmers and EMS alike have found the system practical and easy to use. Another possible application of QR codes involves placing them on equipment. Scanning these codes could provide access to instructions on emergency disassembly to free victims who are trapped in the equipment. Without this guidance, extrication can be slow and hazardous for the victim and the EMS personnel. The stakeholders involved are equipment manufacturers, emergency services personnel, farmers and farm families, farm workers, insurance companies, and the local community.
Pat, what do we got?
He's really stuck in there. We're gonna have to get him out quick. I think we're gonna have to cut it.
You think we're going to have to cut it?
Yeah.
Okay. Bob, bring the cutting torch and a blanket.
We'll have you out in a few minutes, Juan. Try to slow your breathing. Take some deep breaths. Just a few more minutes, we'll have you out.
How are we doing, Pat?
Good. We used the Q code. We pulled up the schematics. We'll have it apart, and he'll be out in just a minute.
Okay, good deal.
He's free.
He's out.
Good job, guys.
Connecting the cloud to the field, using new technologies to address old problems. For more information on this project, contact the National Farm Medicine Center at marshfieldclinic.org/NFMC or at 800-662-6900.